Driving under the influence is something that can happen to anybody. It's a situation where making one bad choice can affect the rest of your life. Most people are unaware of the amount of alcohol it takes to meet or exceed the 0.08 blood alcohol level. What this means is that many of us can drink and get behind the wheel of a car and not fully understand or appreciate the fact that we're under the influence for purposes of driving a motor vehicle. Most people don't realize that you can get a driving under the influence whether you're driving a motor vehicle or a boat. Driving under the influence cases graduate in severity. You start off with your basic driving under the influence. The next thing that can happen is you get in an accident, and the accident involves some pretty severe injuries, and that's known as DUI with GBI, or great bodily injury. It can escalate to a situation where we have a fatality. Then we may be looking at vehicular manslaughter or murder in the second degree. The reason we fight the first DUI so hard is because we know that the recidivism or repeat rate is very, very high. And the consequences of a second-time DUI get much more severe. We're talking about mandatory incarceration for a period of time, the loss of your license for over a year, an alcohol school that could go on for 18 months. So it's very, very important that we fight the first one so that we don't face the increased consequences of the second. I've handled driving under the influence cases for 37 years, both as a prosecutor and as a defense attorney. My experience as a prosecutor allowed me to be a better defense lawyer. It taught me what juries and judges are looking for in DUI trials. There are so many tools available to the defense attorney that have to be utilized in conjunction with one another in order to provide this type of defense.